Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a few items that I got from TJMAXX, some makeup, and also jewelry. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Leslie and I love making home decor videos, fashion, shop with me's. I do a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. The first items that I want to show you are from this company called Italo. It is a jewelry company. They contacted me. They wanted to send me some goodies. And I said, for sure. So I got to pick two different boxes, which is two different items. And as you can see, their box is adorable. Inside, it is a little ring. I don't remember what is in here, but we're about to find out. Let me bring you guys a little closer. Alright, so this is how the box looks. Super luxurious, very silky, and right there you can see Italo Jewelry. As you open it, this is what we got. It is a beautiful, beautiful ring. And this one is a two-piece ring. Actually, it's a three-piece, which I'll show you. This is how it looks like. So beautiful. It is perfect for a wedding, an engagement ring. Oh my god. I love it. Look at that. Huge rock. And over here is the band. Lately, I've been showered with jewelry, which I love, and I'm very thankful for that. This set that I picked, it also comes with a band, which I was so excited when I saw it, and I loved it. The box is super nice, you guys. I want to use it for something else once I take everything out. And right here, you get a little bag with the name of the company as well right there. And over here we have the band full, and this is how the band looks. Let's open it up. This is pretty much matching wedding rings, and I have to say, you guys, the band for my husband looks super, super nice. I'm gonna do like a super close-up so you can see all the details. It has a lot of little diamonds that go all around, not just in the front. Same with my ring. On the back, you can see the diamonds going all around. And oh my god, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna leave their Instagram and also the links to the rings that I'm showing you guys in this video. It's gonna be in the description box, so be sure to check out down below if you're interested in purchasing or just looking at their website and see what they have. Okay, so I'm looking for the price for this set. You guys, the rings are just to die for. This is their website. Look how luxurious, and all the little crystals are sapphires. So beautiful set retails for $175. And remember, there's also going to be a discount code in the description box so that you can save some money. I have to say, you guys, this is beautiful, like really beautiful. The band, oh my god, the band, I love it. All around, you can see that it has sapphires, and it is sterling silver, $9.25. And look at the bag. Super gorgeous. The next item that I got is inside this box, and I'm super excited to show you this one right here. This is something that I've been wanting for a long time, and when I saw it on their website, I was so stoked that I had to get it. And this is it. You might be wondering, what is it? It is a beautiful bracelet. Look at that. Oh my god. And again, you guys, all sapphires. I'm gonna do a close-up. So stunning. I can totally see myself going on a dinner date with my husband, or for the holidays, family pictures. The retail price for this bracelet is $133. And again, there is a discount code, so you can see it right there. Let me share with you guys how many carats this is. This is actually 17 and a half, and it is platinum, and the stones are white, and again, sapphires. I have to say, $175 for this 2 sets. It is perfect. You can't go wrong. These rings, they look so real. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Especially the bands. This, you might be questioning it a little bit just because it's such a huge stone. But then again, it also depends on how confident you are when you're wearing this. Whether it's a ring or an outfit, you know, it's how you carry yourself that you make it look expensive. It also comes with a little cloth, you guys. I almost forgot to mention. A cloth that can clean your ring or your bracelet. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this bracelet. Look how sparkly that is. Wow. So you guys, definitely I highly recommend. I believe their jewelry is totally worth it. And oh my god, I'm super excited. I'm full of rings now. Okay, so if you have been here for a while, you know that I uploaded a video between a replica Chanel and a dupe. We talked about it, and some of you in the comments down below were telling me that you guys, I showed you guys a dupe, which I'll show you guys again. I haven't had a chance to rock it. I know, it still has the tags. And this is how it looks like. Super soft leather. This retails for $117. Some of you in the comments told me that there was a bag that was exactly the same for only $30. So I went on a hunt and I got it. So here I have it, and I want to show you guys the difference between a $30 bag and a $117 bag. Because you guys said it was the same thing. But we're about to find out if it's the same thing. So here I have it. This is from Amazon. Side by side, I will show you. Actually, let me take this off so you can see it. This is how it looks like. Let me know if you see any difference. Actually, I do see it. If you look at it closely, this is a lot better. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It is a lot softer. This, it looks too shiny. Look. It's a lot smaller too. I don't know. You be the judge. I wanted to purchase the bag because I was like, $30? Alright, sounds good. But is it really the same? Let me take the plastic from here. In my opinion, they look similar. They look very similar, but they're not the same. No. This actually smells like plastic. This smells like leather. So you be the judge. I wanted to give you guys options because I know some of you said that the dupe was still expensive. So here you have another dupe of the... One detail that I'm going to point out is the chain. This right here looks more gold. And over here, this looks more yellow gold. I don't know which one I'm going to keep. I'm only going to keep one. I don't need both of them, but I wanted to show you guys the difference side by side. And again, they're both beautiful, you guys. The back. No, this is my favorite. Sorry. 117 is my favorite. But again, we have another option. If you cannot afford this bag, you can definitely afford this one for $30. Missed the video on this bag. This is actually a replica. I got it from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link down below. This is the reason why I purchased this one. And now this one. So here we have 3. The replica, the dupe, and the dupe of the dupe. So 3 options. I will put the link down below for this video, or actually I'll put it right here so that you guys can click on it if you're interested in knowing more details on these 2 bags. Okie dokie, let me show you guys another item that I got. Okay, my next item is actually my Boxy Charm for the month of May. I want to just show you guys real quick what I got. This membership is only $21 a month. If you're not familiar with it, I'm just going to scan through it real quick because I do have a video on the Boxy Charm and the Luxy Charm. So if you're interested, again, I'll link it up here. If you want to know details on this box, be sure to check out this video right here where I just talk about it in depth. For now, I'm just going to show you real quick what I got. Right here, this is I don't even know what it is. Oh my god. This is a blush. Super duper cute. I haven't had a chance to like get into the box. I wanted to do like a dedicated video for it, but I have so many projects right now coming up that I don't think I have the time, so I'm just going to scan through it real fast and show you. They also sent me a brow definer, which is a brow pencil. What else? I also got a lipstick from Dose of Color. I have never had a chance to try this brand, so I'm super duper excited. This, I want to say this retails for like $20, this lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick. Then also they send me a cream eyeshadow. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, so pretty. It's kind of like holographic. Last but not least, they send me a Glam Glow cleanser. So this is how it looks like. And I believe it's pretty big. There you have it. The cool thing about this membership is that you get full-size products, and all this, you guys, was for only $21, right? Can't believe it either. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Now we're going to move on to our next item. Every time I get this box, I literally get super duper excited because I don't know what to expect. Sometimes you get to customize it, but you never know what's coming in the box. Everyone gets something different. But yeah, so those are my goodies from Boxy Charm. Okay, the next item that I got, this is from TJMAXX. It is a maxi dress. Super duper cute. It is blue and long, and you wrap it around. It's like a wrap-on dress. The print is beautiful. My sister-in-law was with me when I purchased this. She's like, Leslie, this is beautiful. You need to have it. So I ended up going for it. And I did take some pictures, and I think I already shared them on Instagram. So if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to follow me at LeslieJoanna_. Be sure to check me out over there and see all the pictures that I like posting. I love pictures, you guys. So the next item, I got a basic t-shirt. Well, not so basic, but it is a stripe, baby blue and white, and at the bottom it has a little knot. I'm just trying to look for pieces that are more wearable. As you guys all know, I love my glam. I love, love, love my glam, but I cannot be glamorous every single day. I have to run around little kiddos, chase them around. So this is something that is comfortable and it's cute, and it's gonna make me look, you know, stylish, you can say. So I really, really like this top. And this, again, it is from TJMAXX. And I'll have a link down below to something different, you guys, because I know that's the downside about shopping at discount stores, is that it's so hard for you guys to find the same items. You have to like literally go on a hunt. But I am going to leave similar items down below. And for the first 3 bags, I actually have a link for those. So I found this top, which I thought it was so, so adorable. I'm all about stripes and polka dots. When it comes to stripes and polka dots, I like black and white. Something about those 2 patterns I love. I like that it's flowy down here. So if I wear jeans, this is going to be perfect. Also for leggings, this is really cute. I want to say this is more for fall, but I liked it. I had to get it. I'm excited to be rocking this top, and most likely it's going to be for fall, or you know what, actually here in San Diego it has been raining. It has been raining and extremely cold, so I can get away with wearing this at the moment. Okay, this top right here, I wore it on my last video and you guys seem to really like it. This, I got it from TJMAXX, and the brand for this top is Velvet Hearts. I love Velvet Heart tops, and they're super affordable, like $16.99. You cannot go wrong. So cute, and on the back, you guys didn't get to see this, but you can tie it and make it a little bit looser so that it hangs a little bit lower, or you can make it tighter. As well, for the buttons on the front, you can leave it like this, or you can put it all the way to the top, like button it up, which I left it, I think, like this for the video that I made. So this is another top from TJMAXX. Got this shirt at a discount store. You won't believe the price for it. I only paid $5 and it's so darn cute. I just love it. I feel like it's very flattering for me. I love showing a little bit of neck, a little bit of chest and cleavage, but not today. If I want to do something like that, it's usually for a day night. If I'm gonna go on a day night, I definitely would like to be a little bit more sexy for my husband, but for the video, this is good. And this, I think it can be lower. No, actually it cannot, which is good though, because it's safe. Like, you know, you don't have to worry about the top being too low, and just everything about it is so pretty. I want to say that this is something that you would find at Target, just by the fabric, feeling it in the style, because Target has very cute dresses that are similar to this. And at the discount store that I got it from, they usually have Target items. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about the items that I showed you? What was your favorite? Hello, if you are a Boxy Charm member, if you enjoy the membership, or have you tried Ipsy before? I know Ipsy is like, it's more of a sample makeup, but for Boxy Charm is the actual size. So that's a major plus, especially if you do makeup. Which bag do you like the most? Do you prefer the $30 bag or the $100? I'm very curious about this question that I'm about to ask you, and please answer it down below if you are comfortable. Do you guys have discount stores in your city? Because I know here in San Diego, there's a couple of discount stores that you can find very cute items. Like I said, this top, if I never mention it, you guys will think that it's expensive. Or not expensive, but not $5, you know? So I'm just curious if you guys have stores like that in your city. So drop it on the comments and let us know. We are curious, or I am curious of knowing. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I think I went a little blush crazy. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!